Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. So we are going to start with grade 5 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Then go to grade 5. Then click on view all lessons. And we are working on the chapter 3 ratios, proportions and percents. And the topic we are going to start with is ratios word problems. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points. Okay, let's start with the topic that is ratios word problems. So let me read the problem, then we'll solve the problems on the board. Got it? Okay, you can find a live chat button right below the video. Please communicate with me using live chat button so that your participation is highly appreciated. Okay, let me go to the topic, just 1 minute, please. Math, then you have to scroll down to grade 5. Then you have to click on view all lessons. We are working on chapter 3, that is ratios, proportions and percents. And the topic we're going to start with is ratios word problems. Here we have ratios word problems. Okay, let's start with the topic. Okay, let me read the question. Just listen to me carefully. Alice Burger Place made 42 burgers with onions and 3 burgers without onions. What is the ratio of burgers with onions to the number of burgers without onions? Okay, so first we have to find the numbers, find the number of burgers with onions and then the number of burgers without onion. So the number of burgers with onion is 42 and the number of burger without onion is 3. So you have to make a ratio between them. So when you write the ratio, it is 42 ratio 3. Got it? Just find the numbers for both the things and write them in a ratio form. So it would be then 42 ratio 3. Got it? That's what you have to write, what you have to do. Got it? Okay, read the next question. Okay, of the student in Christine's grade 17 students have a pet and the other 22 do not. Other 22 students do not. What is the ratio of the number of students who do not have a pet to the number of students who have a pet? Okay, so then students who have pet is 17 and the students who don't have pet is students who don't have 27. Students who don't have pet is 22, I think, not 27. 22, and the one who have pet is 17, and the students who have pet are 17. You have to write a ratio, so the ratio is 22 ratio 17. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner you have a test button. Let's start with a test so that we can write We can do some of the practice question. Okay, let me read the question. There are 15 female teachers and 7 male teachers at Rubens High School. What is the ratio of the numbers of male teachers to the number of female teachers? Okay, so you have to find a ratio of the number of male teachers to the number of female teachers. So you have to find the male teachers are, you have 7 male teachers and 15 female teachers. So so first you have to write the ratio of the male teachers and then to the females. So male are 7, so it is 7 ratio 15. Got it? Write the ratios in the order you are asking in the question. Got it? Okay, select the correct option and click move on to the next question. Click on the OK. There are 32 golden gold coins and 4 silver coins in Kora's coins collection. What is the ratio of the number of gold connection coins to the number of silver coins? Now you have to write the ratio of the gold coins to the to the silver coins. So how many gold coins do we have? 32 gold coins and the silver coins are 4. That means you have to write the ratio, so it would be 32 ratio 4. Got it? No, you have to write the ratio Befer. You have to write the ratio to gold to silver. So gold is 32 and the silver are 4. So the ratio is 32 ratio 4. Got it? Write the gold first and then you have to write the silver. So it is 32 ratio. Yes, very good. It is 32 ratio 4. Okay. 7 students want lemonade and 36 students want iced tea. What is the ratio of the number of students who want iced tea to the number of students who want lemonade? Okay, so the number of students who want lemonade are 7 and the number of students who want iced tea is 36. So what is the ratio of number of students who want iced tea? Iced tea are 36 and the one who want the with lemonade are 7. So the ratio is, which is the correct option? Yes, it is 36 ratio 7. You have to write the iced number of students with iced tea first. So iced tea are 36 and the one that wants lemonade are 7. So it is 36 ratio 7. Very good. Just select the correct option and move on to the next question. There are 21 empty parking spots and 29 full parking spots in a parking garage. What is the ratio of the number of empty parking spots to the number of full parking spots? So the correct option is, it is 21 ratio 29. Got it? You have to write the ratio of the empty parking to the full parking. So empty one are 21 and the parking full parkings are 29. So it is 21 ratio 29. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the students in test class got to choose whether to visit the zoo or the aquarium. 3 students went to zoo and 18 students went to the aquarium. What is the ratio of the number of students who went to the aquarium to the number of students who went to the zoo? So how many of them want to go to zoo or want to aquarium? 18 of them want to aquarium. Do go to aquarium. Got it? So it is 18 ratio 3. Very good. Because 18 of them want to go to aquarium and 3 of them to zoo, and you have to write the ratio to the aquarium to the zoo. So aquarium is 18 and 3. Very good. It is 18 ratio 3. Okay, 11 of the healthers dominoes are standing and the other 24 dominoes have fallen over. What is the ratio of the number of fallen dominoes to the number of dominoes still standing? So, what is the ratio of standing? The fallen one are 24 were fallen and 11 of them are still standing. So, the ratio to fallen to standing is 24 ratio 11. Very good. Select the correct option and click on the Stecky. You can go to the aplusstudents.com. You can find, you have to log in there using your email address and password. Then you have to go to grade 5 maths, click on view all lessons. We are working on ratios, proportions, and percents. And the topic we are working on ratios, word problems. So go to the lesson, then you'll know what we are doing. Got it? Okay. A bakery made 12 muffins that contained nuts and 38 muffins that did not contain nuts. What is the ratio of the number of muffins with nuts to the number of muffins without nuts? So, what is the number of muffins with nuts? 12. And the number of muffins without nuts are 38. So, the ratio is, so the ratio is 12 ratio 38. Very good. Okay, there are 27 students sitting on the bleachers and 23 students sitting on the floor. What is the ratio of the number of students sitting on the floor to the number of students sitting on the bleachers? So the number of students sitting on the floor are 23 and the number of students sitting on the bleachers are 27. So which is the correct option? No, the number of students sitting on the floor are 23, isn't it? So you have to find a ratio of number of students on the floor to the number of students sitting on the bleachers. It's 23 ratio 27. Got it? Okay. Last week, Brena's Ice Creamery sold 12 Sundays and with nuts and 38 Sundays without nuts. What is the ratio of the number of Sundays without nuts and the number of Sundays with nuts? So which is the correct option? The correct option is the first one, 38 ratio 12, isn't it? Because you have to find a ratio of number of Sundays without nuts. So number of students without Sundays without nuts is 38 and the one with nuts is 12. So it is 38 ratio 12. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. So you can complete the test right after the session or later today. I'm moving on to the next topic. If you have any problem with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, so let's just click on back button. We're going to start with the next topic, that is percent of a number. So let's start with the topic, that is percent of a number. Okay, so please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points and the examples as well. They are very important when you're doing test questions. Got it? Okay, what is the 100% of? Let's start with an example. What is 100% of 41? So we know that the 100% of a number is the entire number. Got it? 100% means the entire number. So 100% of 41 is 41. Got it? You can check by doing the math. Like the whole is here, 41 is whole, and the percent is 100%. So we have to make a ratio. Got it? The ratio is n divided by the whole, and that equals percent divided by 100. So n divided by whole is, n is the one you have to find actually the percent of a number. So n divided by whole is 41, and percent is the 100% you have to find. So it would be 100 by 100. Got it? So let's just do n equals, cross multiply the numerators and denominators. It would be n times 100 divided by 100 times 41. So 100 is multiplying to n. You have to find the value of 100. So you have to divide both sides by 100. Got it? So 100 and 100 cancel out each other. You are left with n. And here 100 and 100 cancel out and you're left with 41. That means 100% of a number is the entire number. Got it? Okay, you can note down the example. I'll wait for a while. Okay, let's do the other example. So the other example is, what is 50% of 92? Okay, you have to find here the whole is 92. The percent is 50. Got it? So let n represents the part, the one you have to find. Got it? We have to find the part. Actually, let n represent the part. So let's make a ratio, that is n divided by 92, whole is 92, and 50 divided by 100. Got it? So you have to multiply this numerator to this denominator and this denominator to, it is n divided times 100 equals 50 times 92. Got it? So 50 times 92 is 4600, and let's just divide both sides by 100 because you have to find the value of n only, and 100 is multiplying to n, so opposite to multiplication is our division. Let's divide both sides by 100. So 100 cancel out with 100, and when you divide 46 by 100, the zeros are cancelled out and you're left with 46. That means 92% or sorry, 50%, 50% of 92 is 46. Got it? Okay, let's just do another example. The other example is, what is 75% of 68? You have to find 75% of 68. Okay, so what is whole here? You can communicate with me by writing the answers in the live chat. Okay, so whole is 68 here. The percent is 75%. Now let's form the ratio. So the ratio is n divided by 68, and that equals 75 by 100. Got it? So you have to cross multiply them. Multiply n times 100 and 68 times 75. Got it? So let's just do 68 times 75. It is 5100. So you have to remove that 100, and 100 is multiplying to 50 n. So opposite to multiplication is division. That means you have to divide both sides by 100. So 100 and 100 cancel out each other and zeros cancelled. So we are left with n equals 51. That means 75% of 68 is 51. Got it? So 75% of 68 is 51. Got it? Okay, let's just click on the test button and let's start with test. Okay, the first one on the test is, what is 75% of 32? Okay, what is 75% of 32? So 32 is the whole here. So the whole is 32. 75 is the percent. You have to form the proportion. You have to find the part actually. The part is n. Let n represents the part. So it would be then n divided by 32 equals 75 divided by 100. You have to write the percentage at this side and the whole. You have to divide n by whole. So whole is 32. So it would be n divided by 32 and 75 divided by 100. Got it? Okay, so it, you have to cross multiply them. Just multiply the 100 with this numerator. So it would be 100 times n, and multiply that 32 with this numerator. So it would be then 32 times 75. Got it? 32 times 75 is 2400. So it would be 100 times n equals 2400. So divide, you have to remove that 100 from this side. So 100 is multiplying to n, and opposite to multiplication is a division. So you have to divide both sides by 100. So 100 cancel out with 100, you are left with n, and zeros cancel when you divide them. So it would be then 24. So that means the n is n equals 24. Got it? So 17% of 32 is 24. Got it. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Do you have your notebook? Can you do the next one on your notebook? What is 25% of 12? Okay, what is whole here? The whole is 12, and the percent is 25%. Henry, you have to check your internet connection because everything is fine at my side. So you have to form the ratio. It would be n divided by the whole. Whole is 12, and it would be 25 divided by 100. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. You have to do n times 100. Multiply this denominator with numerator, and 25 times 12. So 25 times 12 is 300, and n times 100. 100 is multiplying to n, and opposite to multiplication is division. Now just divide both sides by 100. Got it? So 100 cancel out with 100, and you're left with, when you divide 300 by 100, the answer is 3. That means 25% of 12 is 3. Got it? You can note down the example. I'll wait for a while. Okay, let's do the next one. What is 60% of 15? What is 60% of 15? So the this one is the whole and this one is the percent. So whole is 15 and the percent is 60%. You have to form the ratio. So it would be then n divided by, okay, sure. The whole is 15 and the percent is 60. You have to find the ratio. So you can form a ratio that is n divided by whole and that equals percent divided by 100. So just put the values. You have to find the value of n. The whole is 15. The percent is 60 and divided by 100. Got it? That's how you have to form the ratio. Got it? Should I move on? Now you just have to cross multiply the things. Just do this denominator with this numerator. You have to do n times 100 and you have to do this numerator times this denominator. You have to do 60 times 15. Got it? So 60 times 15 is 900 and it would be n times 100. 100 is multiplying to n. You have to find the value of n only. So you have to remove the 100. That means opposite to multiplication is a division. You have to divide both sides by 100. Got it? So 100 cancel out with each other. You're left with n and 900 divided by 100 is 9. That means 60% of 15 is 9. Got it? You can note down the example. I'll wait for a while. Did you got it now? Okay, let's do the next one. The next one is what is 70% of 30? What is 70% of 30? So which is whole here? The one that has the percentage sign is the percent. Got it? And the other one is the whole. Got it? You have to find the part of the whole number. Got it? You have to find the 70% of the whole number. Got it? So the whole is 30, the percent is 70. You have to form a ratio, and the ratio is between the part divided by the whole, and that equals the percentage divided by the 100. Got it? Okay, so we don't have n, we have to find the value of n. The whole is 30 here, just divided by 30. Got it? And the percent here is 70 divided by 100. Got it? You have to just cross multiply them. Multiply this denominator with this numerator. You have to do n times 100, And on the other side, you have to multiply this denominator with this numerator. It would be 70 times 30. Got it? 70 times 30 is 2100, and 100 times n is n times 100. You just have to find the value of n only, but here you are multiplying with the 100. So when something is multiplying at the right hand side, when you shift it to the other side, it would be divided. Got it? So you have to divide both sides by 100 because you have to remove this 100. Got it? So hundreds cancel out each other, and you're left with 2100 divided by 100. When you divide 2100 by 100, it would be 21, or either you cancel out these zeros with each other. It would be 21. Got it now? Please note down the example. I'll wait for a while. Okay, good. Let's do another one. So that means 30%, 70% of 30 is 21. Got it? Okay, the next one is you have to find 10 of 60. Okay, so 10% is actually the part of the 60. Got it? So which is the whole number here? 60 is the whole number and 10 is the percent. Got it? So you have to do whole is 60 and the percent is 10%. You have to form a ratio. So it would be then n, you have to find the part of this whole number. So it would be n divided by the whole number. So it would be n divided by 60 and the percent divided by 100. Got it? So just do the cross multiplication. 100 times n, and for this one you have to you multiply this denominator with numerator. So it would be 60 times 10. Got it? So 100 times n equals 600. Now you have to, 100 is multiplying to n, you have to just find the value of n only. That means you have to remove 100 from here. So when you shift the 100 to the other side, it would be then divided. That means you have to divide both sides by 100. Got it? So hundreds cancel out each other. You are left with n equals 6. That means 10% of 60 is 6. Got it? 10% of 60 is 6. Got it? Okay, good. So you can complete the test right after the session or later today. I'm just moving on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is just click on the back button so that you can on the next topic. And the next topic is determine the ratio. Please use the chat box and communicate with me so that I can know if you get my point or is there any problem. So the topic is determine the ratio. Okay. Okay, let's start with the, okay, let me share my screen because uh, determine the ratio. Okay. What is the ratio of the pink rectangles to the purple rectangles? So you have to count the ratio of the pink rectangles. So how many rectangles are pink here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four of them are pink. and the one that is purple is just one is purple. You have to write the ratio of pink to purple. So pink are 4. With the pink you have to write, because you have to write the ratio to pink rectangles to purple one. So write the number of pink first and then the number of purple. So it would be 4:1. Got it? Okay, then the next one is, what is the ratio of the green parallelograms to the total parallelograms? Got it? Now you have to find the ratio of the green to total. Okay, let's count the green parallelograms first. How many of them are green? One, two, three, four, five, six, and total parallelograms are 8. So the ratio of green to total, green are 6 and the total are 8. It would be green to 6 to 8. Got it? Always write the number of the ratio first, that is written in the first in the question. Ratio of this to this. So write one that is written first and then the other right after the ratio. Got it? Okay, let's just start test. What is the ratio of the yellow hearts to the brown heart? Okay, so how many hearts are yellow? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven of them are yellow and just one is brown. So the ratio of yellow to brown, you have to write the number of the yellow hearts first. So it would be 7 to 1. Got it? Henry, it's 7, not 6. So it would be 7 to 1. So the correct option is 7 to 1. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. What is the ratio of the red fish to the total fish? So do you know the answer? How many red fishes are there? Just 3 of them are red and the total are 5. So the ratio is 3 to 5. Got it? You have to write the ratio to red fish to total. So you have 3 red fishes and 5 are total. So it would be 3 to 5. Got it? Select the correct option. That would be this correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, what is the ratio of the purple jeeps to the red jeeps? So how many purple jeeps do you have? Just one of them is purple. And the red jeeps are 1, 2, 3, 4. So it would be 1 to 4. Got it? Very good. Before it's 1 to 4. What is the ratio of pink hexagons to the blue hexagons? So how many of them are pink? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them are pink and one of them is blue. So the correct option is, it would be 6 to 1. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. What is the ratio of the orange octagonal prisms to the total octagonal prisms? So how many of them are orange? So how many of them are orange? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Nine of them are orange, and just one, and you have to write the ratio orange to total. So the total they are 10. So it would be 9 to 10. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, what is the ratio of the blue cars to the total cars? So how many cars are blue? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So eight of them are blue, and the total are nine. So the correct option is 8 to 9. 8 to 9 it would be. The total are 9. It would be 8 to 9. What Buffer, just listen to me carefully and then answer. What is the ratio of the green pairs of scissors to blue pair of scissors? So how many of them are green? Just one is green, and five of them are blue. So one, two, three, four, five. So it would be 1 to 5. Got it? What is the ratio of the yellow bows to the orange bows? Okay, so how many of the ratios are yellow here? 9 of the bows are yellow, and just one is orange. So it would be 9 to 1. Got it? So you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have done three of the topics today, and the topics are ratios, word problems, percent of a number, and determine the ratio. We are on the third chapter, that is ratios, proportions, and percents. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password, and then you have to go to grade 5 maths. There we are working on the third chapter, that is ratios, proportions, and percents, and the topics we have covered today is ratios, word problems, percent of a number, and determine the ratio. So if you have any problem with these topics, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday. Got it? So if the video is helpful for you, please click on the like button. And that's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye.